Hello, in this demo we're going to show you Smarter Launchpad, an easy and affordable way to repeat the deployment of complex solutions. For instance, maybe business acquisition processes, project launches, HR onboarding, or marketing plans. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of how Smarter Launchpad could be used and expand on one in more detail with the demo. Let's start with marketing plans. For marketing plans, you'll have different plans for different sizes of marketing activities. How do people know which items to use for which plans? And how do you ensure you set all of the items up correctly each time without going through them in minute repetitive detail? Simply set them up once, convert them into a template, and let Smarter Launchpad take that worry off your hands. Taking onboarding as an example, with a new recruit, you will have induction checklists, professional development tools, timesheets, expense sheets, standard projects, reports, dashboards, department management tools, and you'll need to embed them in the right team, which can be a lot to get right every time. So, create a template for your most common employee types, and let Smarter Launchpad pick up the details from the intake sheet and select the appropriate template, and deploy and connect the items you need to onboard your employee. For one last example with a bit more detail before we demo Smarter Launchpad, let's look at a project startup. An approved project on the intake sheet triggers Smarter Launchpad to select the template and then create and rename individual project items, link cells from the intake sheet to the project items, and link core metrics data from the project items to the intake sheet. Create clickable links in the intake sheet to each of the new project items, and automatically update project and portfolio dashboards. So, I'm now going to hand over to Debbie, our Chief Smartsheet Solutions Officer, to demonstrate.
As you can see on my screen, I'm sharing a Project Management Office portfolio dashboard. This is part of the PMO template set you can get from Smartsheet. You can see that we have 3 introducing new projects on the go and 1 business as usual project. I'm going to request a new project to add to this dashboard. So I'm going to organize a social event for my colleagues. This is a business as usual type of project. I'm going to start today and finish by the end of this year and submit. So I'm submitting a new project through the portfolio dashboard. Just to speed up the process, I'm going into the Smarter Launchpad control and just running the app manually. That has run successfully. If I go back to my dashboard and just refresh the screen because I'm working in an internet browser tab, you can see I now have a not started business as usual project showing up on my portfolio dashboard. I now have an organizer social event report reporting on my portfolio dashboard. If I click on the dashboard link, this takes me to a dashboard that's purely designed for this new project. I go to my project plan and I can start to fill in the data about my project. The start date was today, and that fills in all of the dates of all of the tasks. And I can say, let's say I've completed a number of tasks already and click save. If I go back to my dashboard, the dashboard updates automatically with the information that I've just set up in that project plan. If I go back one more step to my portfolio dashboard, you can see that my widgets have updated to show the new status of that active project. So our Smarter Launchpad will allow you to take a project request, automatically approve it, and automatically set up all of the items required in order to manage that project through to closure. If you'd like any more information on Smarter Launchpad or any of the other apps, we'd love to hear from you. Please use this contact page to get in contact with us. If you'd like to discuss this or any of the other apps, we'd be happy to provide an initial free consultation to discuss any of your requirements. Thank you.